Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, February 29th, and this is my analysis of the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the monthly, I'm still looking at this as three waves up for W, three waves down for a X, and I think there's a very good likelihood this is going to make three waves up for wave C of wave Y, which I still think is eventually going to end up taking out these highs. So let's take a look at it on the weekly. The Aussie is still very, very weak for the most part. I mean, the Aussie has been very weak lately, but I still think there's a pretty good chance that we already have an uptrend over here for the A. I think this is a WXY for the wave B, which is basically just a 333 pattern. And I think that this is impulsive up for like a wave 1. I still think this move down is possibly a wave 2, and I still think that this is going to go up eventually and make a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5, which I think is a wave C of wave Y, just like basically what I was showing on the higher time frames. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I mean, it kind of looks like we've already completed this pattern. It kind of looks like impulsive down, corrective up, impulsive down. It did kind of turn right in between two fib levels, but the way it reacted to the 61.8, I do kind of think that it did respect that level. I think there's a good chance this move down will make a higher low, and I still believe that there's a very good likelihood that eventually this is going to just keep on trending up in a wave 3. So this would be a 1, a 2, and a wave 3. So taking it right down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, yeah, like I said, the Aussie is still very, very weak. I mean, there's always a possibility that it goes down more. I mean, actually, at this point, it probably is pretty likely that it will at least go down to 78.6. But if it does end up making a higher low and then impulsive up, or if it goes down to the 78.6 and does something like that, like a double bottom with a break of structure, either scenario, I would definitely take it as a long for the continuation of the uptrend. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, I mean, really, as of right now, you probably should be looking out for shorts on anything below the 1 hour time frame and below, because it definitely is still trending down. And like I said, I wouldn't be surprised if it went all the way down to 78.6. But like I said, if it does make a higher low, and turn back up, or if it goes down to the 78.6, which I'll squish this down a little bit. If it does go down to that 78.6 and make like that double bottom and then a break of structure to the upside, that would actually be even a better entry, I would have much more confidence in that entry for the continuation of the uptrend. But I wouldn't really go long unless I saw this right here, because I mean, there's always a possibility that the Aussie continues to be weak and it just keeps on going down. So if you do trade these shorter time frames, you probably should be looking for shorts until you see this picture right here. Then you can stop looking for shorts and start looking for longs again. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.